In this video series by Hotel Insider, viewers can explore the top attractions and activities to experience while visiting Brno, Czech Republic. Discover hidden gems and must-visit places across the city.
Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description.
Safety, full responsibility, and superior insurance coverage. Our assured tour team consists of experienced drivers proficient in both local and English languages, boasting over 5 years of extensive experience in providing transfer services and interacting with diverse international populations. Flexible adjustments can be made promptly to accommodate any changes to your itinerary throughout the day. Should you require modifications to your travel route, our courteous staff will swiftly respond to ensure your journey remains smooth. Explore the historic heart of Brno, the capital of Moravia, where you can marvel at its rich array of architectural wonders throughout the day or during twilight hours. Indulge in the city's most prestigious sites, including the Cathedral of Saints Peter and Paul. Engage with your knowledgeable guide for an insightful tour through iconic locations like Liberty Square, dating back to the medieval era, and Freedom Square, adorned with the crypt of the Capuchin Monastery, home to the mummified remains of local nobility. Welcome to Brno, a renowned Czech city celebrated for its rich architectural legacy nestled within the heart of Central Europe. Brno boasts an impressive array of historical sites, including the enchanting Old Town, where visitors can marvel at the grandeur of Parna's Fountain, and the Baroque-styled Peter and Paul Cathedral. As you wander through the picturesque parks and natural landscapes surrounding the city, you'll uncover some of the most significant architectural and historical highlights. Please follow our guided tour to fully appreciate the charm and depth of this captivating urban gem. Brno, the second largest city in the Czech Republic, boasts an illustrious heritage marked by its extensive array of historical landmarks, spanning over 8 centuries. Historically significant during the 30 Years' War, Brno emerged as a fortified bastion capable of resisting the siege orchestrated by the Swedish army, thus cementing its pivotal role in Central European geopolitics. The amalgamation of functionalist architecture, characterized by minimalistic designs, has given rise to a contemporary urban landscape that exemplifies modernist principles. Among the city's notable architectural gems, one stands out particularly: Villa Tugendhat, designed by Le Corbusier and completed in 1930. RegioJet offers seamless connectivity between Brno main train station and Vienna Central train station, ensuring an effortless transition for travelers. Our fleet includes amenities such as onboard toilets and bicycle storage, providing a comfortable travel experience. Boarding via our dedicated express buses allows passengers to relax and enjoy scenic views during their journey. Upon arrival, guests can rest assured knowing they will reach their destination promptly at both airports and cities. Alike, free Wi-Fi and power outlets throughout each vehicle facilitate uninterrupted communication, and convenient staff members are available to assist with luggage handling and provide support upon boarding.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.